The holiday season and the new year have really taken a toll on many of us, and we're still feeling the stress of it all. As a result, you might find your relationship on unstable ground. It's tough to find the right words after a stressful period or time or after an argument, but repair attempts are key to getting your relationship back on track. A repair attempt is any statement or action, verbal, physical, or otherwise, meant to diffuse the negativity and keep conflict from escalating out of control. Repair attempts are really the secret weapon of emotionally intelligent couples. I invite you to attend our Creating Connection workshop, where we'll offer you exercises that are research based on repairing and making repair attempts. You'll get the help of me and my PAX Renewal Center staff. This workshop will help you and your spouse communicate more effectively and deepen your connection. We'll have interactive exercises, techniques backed by science. Give us a call, 337 993 1960. Have a great day. Bye now.